From optimizing your keyword search for Google Ads to monetizing your YouTube channel and providing the most realistic images from text prompts, artificial intelligence has already surprised the globe with its transforming credentials. For sure, you'd be curious to know about the emerging AI tools, which would certainly amaze you in managing your day-to-day tasks. Stay tuned with us till the end because we have shortlisted 5 cool artificial intelligence tools you didn't know before this to help you out of scratch. Let's get started. 1. AI Backdrop. Is your photo editing domain causing you to struggle for a stunning but realistic background for your product photos or transparent objects for the past years? That's why AI Backdrop fits you. This tool is an advanced AI-driven generator that allows you to replace the backgrounds of any of your product images with a new but customized backdrop of your choice, along with the intricate details listed in your snapshot. AI Backdrop is all set to deal with a diversified range of your profile photos having complex subjects. You can not only upgrade your e-commerce business products with accurately adjusted image backgrounds, but this AI Backdrop tool further lets you have your website image designed within a matter of seconds to advertise your marketing product even faster. It's a handy, convenient tool where you can get the perfect results for your imaginary background by uploading your image and describing your dreamy text. With the lowest possible cost, there's a broad range of packages available on their webpage, which you can select following your budget. 2. Taplio. Constant writing of hours as a freelancer for any upcoming LinkedIn post sounds a little troublesome to me. Let this AI tool save the time of extracting creative ideas and content inspiration for your brand out there. This AI-driven content creating tool serves you with its viral post library to help you in exploring productive posts. There's a key narrative behind this AI tool that it speeds up the efficiency of work to the extent that it creates a month's worth of content in just an hour for professionals. The advanced AI-provoking content helps your blog posts stay trendy. Taplio is all set for you to provide convincing content for your engaging LinkedIn prompts, and after you have tried their free trials, you can start their paid plans, starting from $39 per month. 3. Brand Bastion Lite. Besides looking forward to the team collaborations for brand promotions, managing your social media accounts at the same time and replying to never-ending social media conversations may leave you agitated for the whole day. Let's say goodbye to all those hectic replies with the development of this AI-powered platform. Brand Bastion Lite will simplify managing your social media inbox in such a way that it responds to sentiment analysis in 109 available languages. This program will keep you posted with the most relevant and appropriate comments to which you should respond. Surprisingly, this will automatically detect offensive and hate speech against your brand and will automatically hide them. Isn't it such an ideal AI-based tool for all the entrepreneurs looking forward to promoting their social media accounts, moderating their brands, and team collaborations? Again, after you are done with their free trials, you can start managing your social media platforms through Brand Bastion Lite with a minimum paid package starting from $74 per month. 4. Keyword Search. Running a successful YouTube channel isn't an easy task. Rather, it requires a constant effort of monetizing and watching hours. Let's put an end to the long waiting grind. Keyword Search uses an artificial intelligence tool to supercharge your audience for YouTube videos and YouTube ads. It's kind of your ad spy. Keyword searches for your ads and videos will enhance business by targeting your ideal audience. Accurate keyword search will optimize your marketing campaign on YouTube as well as on Google Ads by targeting your potential customers. AI-generated keyword search is your spy on your competitors in such a way that it will target the same keywords and audience for your campaigns that they are using to boost their channel and sync them in one click. Tackling the power of AI keyword search will certainly optimize your leads and sales by connecting you to the targeted audience from around the globe within a minute. Keyword search allows you to have the free trials, after which you can start their paid plan starting from $97 per month. 5. Hoppy Copy. Being a content creator is quite hectic for you to generate emails to run an effective email ad strategy. Hoppy Copy email copywriting platform is precisely designed for you to speed up your conversation and tweak your content for optimal results. Even though you are running your own business or searching forward to drive an email campaign, Hoppy Copy will save you time and will repurpose content from any source. Long and short, Hoppy Copy exclusively provides a solution by compiling high-converting email ads for your social media content or any other marketing campaign. After a 7-day free trial, you can turn on this AI-powered email copywriting campaign for $29 a month. Don't forget to tell us in the comments section how these AI tools turn out to you. Also, before leaving, make sure to subscribe to this channel and stay notified for any updates.